So this is the raspberry macaroon. I don't know why it has a bandit on it, but it's nice. So. It's pretty good. I mean, if you like raspberry, that's what's inside.
Tired?
No, you don't do it, but he's basically like...
So now we're at the Swiss Family Tree House. I also think they made a Tarzan's tree house also. So this is where we just ate. We just finished breakfast. This was my friend's idea to come onto this up here. There's Pirates of the Caribbean. Tarzan's house. Not yet. Whoa! Oh, that's cold.
The weather is good, the fishing is fine. What you do with all of the time, like say and think and make that's what you ask us. That's what we know. Shoulders are wrong.
So we just got out of Splash Mountain. We were in the first 2 seats, and I got so soaked. Look at my clothes. Good thing it's sunny out.
Oh yes, I would love to. And you have to come back and show me it too. Maybe if you want to get so I don't know about that. Okay. You know, Maui, he's around here somewhere. You know he's a shapeshifter, right? So, yeah, so he could be one of the animals on Main Street, maybe one of the ducks, or the horses, or maybe even the birds in the sky. Yes, you might have seen him, but you never know because, you know, he's a shapeshifter. He can be a bit of a trickster. No, he's a lot better now. We're working on that. He doesn't like to steal things. Exactly. Well, once your heart's beating, caused all that trouble, I think you'll learn the hard way.
Yeah,
he learns a lesson from there. What about we take a photo together as well? And we can do our hands on our hips too, like this.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Hi guys, I like Milano is on the other side. Other side. Yeah, you'll see our friend Phil down there.
And then 1, 2, 3. Perfect.
Nice to meet you, Milana.
Nice to see you both.
Thank you so
Let's
much.
come join you again, alright?
We'll go surfing together.
Okay, sounds good. Bye.
Wonderful. What's your name?
Michael. And I saw your queen.
You saw my stepmother today. Oh, yesterday.
Yesterday.
How was she? Was she happy or was she grumpy?
Well, she's being the queen.
Oh my, I wonder if she had the gooseberry pie that I left her. That always makes my friend Grumpy smile.
Right? I actually will be trying that in Disney World.
Oh my, you
Yes.
will? Oh my, will you see Don't Being Grumpy there as well?
I will.
Yes,
Yes,
oh, they're
I
quite
can.
adorable, aren't they? What brings you to Disneyland this morning?
This is my first time in Disneyland,
Oh, it is.
California. So I went to Disney World last year.
Yes.
And I'll be going there again this summer.
Oh, wonderful. Well, I'm happy that you're here today.
Thank you.
This long-lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind, the coral reef. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres.
The bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. Rap on a table.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibration.
Hi, Cinderella.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm doing wonderful.
I actually wore this shirt today. This is actually
It's a ratchet. Very special. The design is very similar.
very got money for this one. So
She helped you get ready today.
yes. So I can wear it, but I probably wear this one.
Oh, that's wonderful. That's perfect.
Where's Fitz Charm today?
Oh my goodness, well, he's at the stables. Let's get your horses ready. And later today, we're going on a horseback ride. Hello. Oh, he's wonderful. He made a picnic for us to have later today.
That's nice.
Oh, he's so romantic.
I think I saw it today, but for lots of reasons like that.
Well, perhaps one day you'll see him more. He does come to Disneyland sometimes.
That's perfect. But I think I will be taking him to Disney World because I will be eating at your castle today. Yeah, it was a little bit pleasant to see Beauty's castle not just still being
Oh
done.
my goodness, the fairies are still working on it.
Yeah, I heard. Aurora told me, but I think everything's going okay.
Oh, absolutely.
I can wait to see you guys over there.
Perhaps you see my nice friends too.
Absolutely.
Well, they're running around everywhere all the time.
I hope that you make Hawaii happen too.
That would be wonderful.
Hi Ariel, it's me
Hi,
again. Good to see
hello.
you.
I know, good to see you again.
Sure.
How was the rest of your day yesterday?
It was very
The
fun.
sun was warm.
It was
Did you go
warm.
on Splash Mountain?
We did.
You did?
Yes.
Just in the front.
The what?
The front.
Yes.
Oh, goodness. All the water
We
was
got
splashed.
far really, really fast. I wanted to bring my friends at the time, but I didn't have them, so.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah.
That's why there wasn't any salt water. That's good.
No, but we did go swimming at our hotel though.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
Flounder didn't try to bug you.
I would have thought that. Actually, I heard scuttle all around though.
Oh, no.
Yes, and I almost made my hair just like this after using a diggle hopper.
Oh, no, he needs to use a diggle hopper. He just has these sprouts in the front.
Oh yeah, so do I. That's why I actually use it today.
Oh, yes, you can use a diggle hopper.
Yes.
You said you were here for a couple days, yes?
This is my last day.
Your
so I'll
last
see you one last
day.
time.
Well, did you get to see the parade yet?
I did, and I saw you with pins.
Oh, yes. Wasn't my tail so sparkly here?
It was.
You know, I'm hoping the sun comes out today.
I did
We'll
hope
see
so.
how it goes, though.
Now we're going to go on the Grizzly Peak ride. So basically the Disneyland version of Kali River Rapids. We got the Fast Pass. I think we have to go up the stairs, I think. Oh boy. Here we go, here we go. So we just finished the Grizzly River ride right here, and it's just like the Holly River Rapids and Animal Kingdom in Disney World. All wet now. It's just a little bit dizzy. The Holly River Rapids is more tamer, so I like that one better.
Good. Call me Al. All my friends call me Al. Yeah. What's your name? Mike. I like the camel spit hair. Nice, rock solid.
I tried to do it like yours, but it's like too long.
It looks good. It looks good. She actually took Stomach for a magic record.
Oh, okay.
So I think they were gonna meet up with Cinderella and maybe Ariel for two.
Oh, so they're with her own girlfriend.
Yeah. Okay. They love talking about crowns and shoes.
That's not your thing.
Not really my thing. I like to talk about food.
Oh, me. I love food.
Yeah. What's your favorite food?
Apples.
You like red apples, green apples, yellow apples, blue apples, green.
I guess.
I'm usually a red guy, but hey,
Okay.
you know, any apple that you can get for free is a good apple.
There you go.
There we go. Can we get a picture? All right. Do you want to stand back to back, arms crossed?
Let's do that.
That's how the guards stand back where I come from.
Yeah.
I think he is doing a good job, right, Jason? That's the thing.
I think so,
I think
yes.
You have found yourself a new guard.
There you go. That way you don't need
Rasul.
Yeah.
He's a bit of a grumpy guard.
He
so.
is. I think he needs to retire.
I've been telling him that for years, but he just loves to catch scoundrels, as he says.
There you go. That's what you got me now.
Exactly, exactly.
Take care.
Hey, you too. Have a great day.
We pretty much did everything. We did Splash Mountain, Mansion. This is actually our first time my first time here. We actually go to Disney World a lot there. And so you guys are like there.
So will you go on every day
that I want to, but yes. That doesn't mean everything. Mad tea party. I love tea, but I don't like going around.
I get busy just watching.
Yeah, me too. I like drinking it. I like being in it.
The man actor, see how he's green? Yeah, his trousers used to be as white as mine. And then he went on an acting fight. With his green tea, it's still all over his trousers.
You guys go tea time often?
Occasionally.
Okay.
As long as it works with the man actor together, we have a bit of a bad smell. It's all over the place.
Making quality tea with the other guy. From Dallas.
Oh, yes, of course.
Mickey, Ariel, Mickey, magic mirror, so you can actually see yourself in it. Look at this. Cute, right? So we're having breakfast at the Plaza Inn, and it's character greeting with Winnie the Pooh. There's Dale, and the fairy godmother, and Captain Hook is somewhere around. There's Eeyore, somewhere there. Oh wait, those two gray girls. Never mind. Oh yeah, there's Eeyore, right there. Here's our breakfast. How's your breakfast? Good.
Wonderful to have
How's breakfast?
It's very good.
Now, where are you visiting from?
New Jersey.
Oh my goodness!
Yeah,
That,
far
it's a
away.
ways away, isn't
Yeah,
it?
we wanted to take your royal coach over here, but
Oh,
we
it would have been
took the
a
plane anyway.
long trip.
I know. Oh, you gave. Oh, Simba better than me. Yeah, because you kept on whacking him with it. It's okay. He needed some sense. So, yeah.
Exactly.
So, where's Simba now? He's he's resting. He's in his hibernation. Oh, for the parade.
Oh,
Okay.
that's right.
Okay.
And you know what? I missed him at Animal Kingdom. They closed your part in Animal Kingdom. Why? I don't know. I really don't know.
Yeah. It's okay. But we'll see you again in, we're going to Disney World in July.
No, the love of my life decided to go today. After she took care of Pascal's breakfast issue this morning. A couple hours, that's good. When someone sleeps in, a lot of touch. I love the shirt, by the way. And do you use the fork to brush your hair too? I don't know why Ariel was trying to push that. You look great. So thank you. Shall we take some pictures, my friends?
Thanks for joining us for Mickey's Mix Magic. Enjoy the rest of your